Hello and welcome to Mac Idea of the Day. This is a class on giving user access to this external drive. Now if I was going around to the different workstations and backing up to this drive, I could log on to this computer as the admin. Doesn't matter because I'm the only one doing it. But if you're going to have other people access this drive, chances are you want them to use either their account, meaning you have to create one, or you just want a nice shared backup account so people can log in. And that's what we're going to do here. This is regular 10.6, meaning it's not server 10.6. So we do need to set up an account for the use of this. If we had a server, we could share points and that whole path, but we don't. So I'm going to make an account. So I'm going into System Preferences, Accounts. I do need to hit this padlock to make the ability to add an account. So I can hit this plus symbol once I unlock it, and I'm going to call this backup. Not even going to bother with the password, save some time. It's just a standard user, they don't need to be an admin. And once that's done, we have a user for people to log in with. But they probably do not have permission to use this backup drive, so we need to give them the rights to do it. So I'm going to go Show All, still in the System Preferences, Sharing, select File Sharing. In the shared folders, who has rights to use what is where we want to be. Now right now that backup drive has no share spot. So when you hit the plus sign, here's the backup drive. I do need to select it, so you need to find it. So I'm just going to select it in the left hand column and click Add. And now it adds it to our shared spots. And it's telling me who has rights to use this. Class can do it. Everyone can only read it. So that backup user, I need to give them permission to do stuff to this. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm going to choose Backup and select. Now you could give them only read privileges, but that wouldn't do any good because they couldn't write to it to back up. Read and write, that way they can read to it and write to it. That's what we're going to go with. You could just give them write privileges, but that would be a pain for them to recover their data. So let's just give them some responsibility and assume that they can read and write to this. So right now they are reading and writing to this backup folder. Should make sense. Follow that path when life is good. Now I'm going to close out of it. And so they will, once they log into the machine, they will see that drive and be able to read and write to it. So that's it for this, and now we're going to be focusing on logging in and backing up files to that. So thank you very much for watching Mac Idea of the Day.